Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge Zulily box. It is so big and very heavy, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here because what I started doing was, like, if I've got more than one box coming at the same time, I've started to open them, spot check, make sure what they say is in that order is what I received, and then just putting the two boxes together, like emptying one and putting it into the other. So I've got stuff that was in two boxes just in one box, if that makes sense. Just so that I don't have all these boxes all over the place, because it's getting pretty crowded in that bedroom, and I keep ordering more and more stuff from them, so I need to start getting rid of these boxes. So anyways, I'm gonna try and open this up now because I don't want to talk too much. So I did open them before, like I mentioned, but I don't remember what's in this box now because I've got more than one big one now. And my space is very limited here, so it's gonna seem kind of awkward if I don't have enough room here for this box. It is so huge. I would like to show you what's all in here, but I don't know if you'll get to see it on camera. So this is all that's in there, and it's kind of awkward to hold this big box there, so I'm just gonna put it on the floor and then empty it as I go along. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is these trays that I ordered, and I wanted to put these like under the sink, under my side, and or maybe put them in the drawer. I don't know if it'll fit. It might be too long, we'll see. But I got two. I usually like to order things in pairs so that, they're matching. So this is what they look like, just really plain acrylic. And I thought I would put like stuff I don't use every day. I can probably put in there. And these were actually a good price. I like to go into the section where it has like home storage, and there's storage for bathroom, your kitchen, your bedroom. I like to go into those events because then you can find a lot of like hampers and storage boxes and stuff like that. So this is what they look like. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is this 3-hook. It actually goes over the door, so you can put it like in your bathroom, on your bathroom door, or maybe your bedroom door. Even if you've got a closet with like those doors, you can probably put them in there. And this is what they look like. I really like this because it looks just like it looks on the site. A lot of times you buy stuff and when you get them, they don't look the same in person. So, and this matches our bathroom mirror. We've got a mirror with the frame is this color, and also our tops are the same color. So I like this, but we already have one on the door, which is like 4 hooks, but it's just the bottom, not the top part. So I don't know if maybe my fiance will want to use this one instead, because you've got top and bottom, so that's actually pretty good, and it's smaller. Or I can maybe ask him if he can put it in our closet on the wall somewhere, and then I can hang maybe my purses or whatever. So this is what it looks like, and then this part just go on top of the door. Then the next thing I've got is another garment bag or a suit bag. This is to put like clothes that I don't want to get like lint or dust on. So I actually picked up one in a previous haul, you would have seen it. And this one seems to be a little bit different. The back might be like not very see-through, and then the front is probably the see-through part. I wouldn't bother opening this up now because I'm not gonna use it as yet because I still have the other one. So if I do need it for my my velvet clothes, or you know those darker colors, they show the lint really bad, so that's why I picked these up. But I'm just gonna arrange the other one first, and then I can use this. You put it in the closet. You can even use it to travel with, like if you've got maybe you're going to a function or an event or something and you want to bring your really nice clothes, you can put them in here and bring it. So really nice. They have lots of different types on there. I want to buy a couple more, so we'll see how that goes. So that was that. Then the next thing I got was this basket, and it's lined inside, and it's like a dark color. It looks brown, but I don't know, maybe on camera it looks black. It's hard to say. But in our closet in the entryway, we have other baskets like this one, and I wanted to get another one because the one we're using for like sunglasses and stuff, it's just overflowing. So I figured I would get another small one and use it for separate like our sunscreen and like the bug repellents and stuff like that, and put them all together with sunglasses, and then when the season is over, just move it to the top of the shelf. Then you're not going in there too much and wrecking it. And because we have boxes for different things, like we've got for hats, scarves, gloves, and you find that they tend to get mixed up too. But I really wanted to get this one for the other stuff, then it's not all over the place in there, so I'm hoping it works. The other ones that we have are not lined inside, and you can take the lining off like if you want to wash it, but I think I might leave the liner on. So this is what it looks like. It's really not too tall, but it might work. I like that it has the handles, so you're holding the handles when you're pulling it out. So yeah, I just thought, I think there is a bigger one. I might go for the other one if it's bigger. I'm not sure if it's the same one. Okay, and then the next thing I've got is this. This is the Paris theme, another storage box. You would have seen previous videos where I've been hauling these, and they're like a whole set from this design. They have different sizes and stuff, so this is what it looks like. I also got this to put under my sink because I like to get one to put like my hair tools, like my secret curl, and then I've got some other curling wands and stuff like that. I like to put them all together in here. Then when I pull this out, I know I've got all my hair tools in there. So that's the design, and then it's got the handles. It's the bottom, and it's by the Home Basics, the same brand. They seem to bring a lot of the Home Basic products. I think in another box there might be something else. I'm not too sure because I order so much stuff. And then they sent me this another one free, which I didn't even use the other one yet because I usually just buy razors from the dollar store and use those. But I'm glad that they're sending something free. Who doesn't like free stuff? That's pretty nice of them. I put them in my guest bathroom in case the guests want to use it. Now I've got two, so I can put this one in there as well. So that's pretty nice. Now the next thing I got, I was pretty excited about because I'm always buying clothing and I'm always running out of hangers, and I do pick up the acrylic ones from Bed Bath & Beyond from time to time, but I find that it's kind of pricey. Like you've got to buy, there's like what, 7 in a set for $8.99, and I saw these on Zulily and they come in different colors, and I'm going to be picking up some more. So this is actually 25 in here, and I think I might have paid $16.99 for this set. So this works out cheaper than if you buy those acrylic ones. Even if you buy about 3 or 4 sets to get 25, you'll probably still be paying more than $16.99. So I love this. I love the color. It's a nice lilac color, and I love that it's rose gold on the hooks. That is super cute. And like I said, these come in different colors. And also the hooks, sometimes they're in yellow gold, sometimes they're in silver, and pretty heavy, this one. That is why the box was so heavy, because it's a lot in there. And these are the velvet type. I think the acrylic ones are more because people think they're nicer, but I like these because they're color, and you can put different colors in there and make your closet really pop with the different colors. So that's that. I'm excited about this because I always buy clothes, but this box doesn't have any clothes in it. It's super busy out here because it's the long weekend and it's Canada Day weekend, so there's a lot of people out here. And it's been raining, and it was raining earlier, and people can't go out fishing when it's raining because the lake gets so rough that the boat shakes as they're out there. So now that the sun has started to come out, everybody's trying to get out there before it starts raining again. So you probably might see me looking over here every now and then. It's because somebody's going by. So I'm down to 3 things left in that box, and the next thing I'm going to show you is this these earring backs, and they're just the little clear ones. They look pretty tiny than I'm used to. You probably won't see this very good because they're so small, and I just bought these because I know a lot of times I buy those earrings, they come without the backs. And I like to attach a back to it so that it doesn't, you know, come out of my ears and get lost. And I don't know how much is in here. 20 pairs it says. So they're really tiny, but they come in handy for those earrings that kind of goes like a hook, and you just hook them in your ear, and then I can attach them on. So that was that. And then from the Home Basics theme stuff, I got this other one. This is another storage bin, and it looks like they come in 3 different patterns, and the one I got says Home Sweet Home, and I thought this was kind of cute. I would actually like to put this in the living room and see if the cushions will fit in there, or maybe the blanket or something. So I won't open this up right now, but I guess you have to assemble it. It's not very hard. I've done it with the other ones. So I hope it's as wide as it looks there, and I'm gonna assemble that later on. And then from that Home Basics, again from the Paris theme design, I've got another storage bin, and I have to assemble that one as well. So I've got quite a few now with this design because I love Paris theme so much. So that is what that looks like. So that was all I got in that big box. There was quite a few things, no clothing this time, but you know what? I have so much clothing, I don't need to buy anymore. But sometimes you're on there and you see something that's really cute and you think, well, do I need this? But it's affordable, so you just buy it anyways. But I've noticed recently the clothes, they're very expensive, so I don't know. I like to look for the home stuff now. Like, I want to buy some more hangers. So it's not only, the site is not only about clothing. You can get so many different things there. And I love to buy footwear from them because they're so affordable and really cute. And also sometimes I can get purses that are really nice and affordable for me. I mean, some people, they go for the expensive stuff. That's fine, you can afford it, why not? But for me, I just go for affordable, what I can afford. I don't want to spend more than I'm allowed or whatever. So but that is that, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and leave some comments down below if you like what you've seen, if you've bought any of this stuff, and I do appreciate the comments, and I will try to link the descriptions in the description box below the video, so check that out. And if you're interested in getting any of them, at least you will have the product number. You can go and just type it in the search bar, or you can go and just type in the description of the item, like if it's a storage box, home basics, stuff like that. That is what I do if they have an event with stuff that I can't afford to buy at a time. I just put it in my notes or take a screenshot, and then when I can, I go back and I search for it. If it's still there and I'm able to get it, I do buy it. Sometimes it's gone, but it does come back from time to time, so you just have to keep checking. And yeah, so I don't want to ramble too much, but this is my video, guys, and there will be more to come. Hopefully tomorrow I can do another video. It probably wouldn't be a Zulily unboxing, but we'll see what happens. Okay, guys, well, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.